Good morning children. How are you? I hope you are doing well and good. Okay children, today we are going to discuss about the topic is multiplications. Already you have to learn this topic in your previous class, right? Yes. Let's see the once again let us revise this multiplication. So first one, repeated addition is also called multiplication. We know already what is multiplications. Yes, multiplication is also called repeated addition. In multiplication, we used the addition operation. And second point is, in multiplication, the two numbers to be multiplied are called factors. Right? Yes. We know already the multiplication sign is into. It can be read as into. So this is the multiplication sign. In this multiplication, the two numbers to be multiplied. Right? Yes, 5 into 3. 5 into 3. This is the multiplication statement. So these two are called factors. These two are called factors. And what is the product? Yes, 5 is a 15. Now the number we get after multiplication is called product. So this is the answer. It is called product. After multiplication we get the answer. That is the answer is called product. So this is the multiplication statement. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. In these two numbers also called factors. The two numbers to be multiplied are called factors. These two are called factors, and we get after multiplication we get the answer is also called product. So that means here 15 is a product of these two numbers, right? What is the factor of 15? Yes, 5 and 3. Now product is 15. Okay, product means the answer of after multiplication, and factors is the numbers to be multiplied. And next point is, any number is multiplied with 0, the product is always 0. Any number is multiplied with 0. Let's see, 5 multiplied by 0. That equal to, yes, it always the product is 0, 0. Any number is multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by any number. So the product is 0 in this multiplication. Right? Any number is multiplied by 0. 0 is multiplied by any number. The product is 0. For example, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 6. Multiplied by 0. What is the product? Yes, definitely the product is 0. At any number, this is a large number, right? So any number is multiplied by 0, we get the product is always 0, 0, 0. So this is the one rule of multiplication. And second one is, any number is multiplied by 1. Any number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by any number. The product is number itself. For example, 5 multiplied by 1. What is the product? Yes, a number itself, 5. Any number is multiplied by 1 or 1 multiplied by any number, 5 into 1 into 5, that equal to 5. So that means any number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by any number, the product is number itself, right? The product is 5 into 1, that equal to 5. So 1 into 5, that equal to 5. So this is the second rule of multiplication. Right? The first one is, any number is multiplied by 0 or 0 is multiplied by any number, we get the product is 0. And in this statement, any number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by any number, the product is always number itself. So these two are very important in multiplication. So any number, for example, this is a large number, is multiplied by 1 What is the product? Yes, this number itself. So we will write this number at the product. So this is the product of these two numbers. So any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Any number is multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. So these two are very important in the multiplication process. Now let us see how to multiply given number by 3-digit number, right? So we have two numbers, and first one is 29,421 and second number is 931. These two are factors, right? These two are factors. Let's multiply the two numbers. First write that numbers 2, 9, 4, 2, 1. So now we will use the sign of multiplication. Into, it can be read as into. This sign can be read as into. So into 931. This is the multiplication statement. So to multiply any number, we will use some steps. So we will multiply it by 3-digit or more than 2 numbers. So we will multiply any number more than 2 numbers. We will use some steps. The first step is, first we will multiply this number by 1, right? This is in the place of ones, tens, hundreds. This number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Let's multiply first 29,000. The first step is 29,421 is multiplied by 1. What is the first step? 29421 into 1. First we multiplied, starts with 1's place digit. In 1's place digit is 1. So first we starts with 1. Let's multiply this number with 1. So this is the first step. So already we know the rule of multiplication. Any number is multiplied by 1. Yes, the product is number itself. We know already that. So write this number directly. 2, 9, 4. 2, 9, 4, 2, 1. Right? So any number is multiplied by 1, we get the number itself. This is the first partial product. So write this number itself. Now the second step is, we will multiply a digit, tens place digit. That is 3. That is the second step. What is the second step? 2, 9, 4, 2, 1 is multiplied by 3. Let us multiply these two numbers. So first we will start. 3 ones are 3 in the place of tens. That means we will multiply this number by 30. Right? 3 in the place of tens. That means 3 into 10, 30. There are 30. 3 tens. That means 30. So we will multiply this number by 30. So 3 is 0. Yes, 30 is 3 0. So first we will write that number here 0. Let us start multiplication. 3 ones are 3 ones. Yes, 3. We get 3. So write 3 below the 2. Next 3 twos are. First 3 ones are is completed. Next 3 twos are. 3 twos are, yes, 6. So write 6 below the 4. Now let's start next with 4. 3 4s are. We get 12, but we don't write directly 12. So now we will write the right side number 2. So here 2 below the 9. There are 1 is left. Now let's multiply 9 by 3. 3 9s are 27. So now we will add 27 to the 1. So 27 plus 1, 28. So same this way we will write the 8 below the 2. There are 2 is left. There is 2 is left. Next we will multiply 3 2 10,000s by 3 tens. So 3 2s are again 6. So 3 2s are 6. So 6, let's multiply, let's add 6 to the 2. 6 plus 2, yes, 8. So write this 8 directly. So 8 is a single digit number. Any 2 digit number product is we get any 2 digit number. So we are regrouping that number. This is the second partial product of this 3 tens and 29,421. Now next, third step. Now we will multiply 29,421 by 9. 9 in the place of, yes, hundreds. 9 in the place of hundreds. That means we will multiply this number by 900s. Right? 900 has 2 zeros. We will already know that. So write 2 zeros. So let's multiply this number by 9. So 9 ones are 9. So write 9 below the 6. 9 below the hundreds place. Right? We will multiply any number. We will multiply hundreds place digit. We will write the product below the hundreds place. We will multiply, if we multiplied any tens place digit, we will write the product starts with tens place. So first here we are multiplied 9 in the place of hundreds. So we will start with hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. So we will write the product of 9 into 1 in the place of hundreds place. So next one, 9 into 2. That means 9 2s are, yes, 18. 18 is a 2 digit number. Right? So let's regrouping this number. So write 8 below the thousands place. Right? There are 8 thousands. So we will write 8 thousands below the thousands place. So there are 1 number is left. Now let's multiply 9 with 4. 9 4s are, yes, 36. So 36, let's add 36 to the 1 which is left. So 1 plus 6 is 7 and 3. So we get 37. So here we will write the 10,000s place 7. So write here 7. So 3 is left. Next we will multiply 9 by 9. So 9 into 9, 9 nines are 81. So 81. So add 81 to 3. 3 plus 1, 4 and 8. We get 84. So same this way, first we will write 4 below the 8. There is 8 is left. Now let us multiply 9 and 2. 9 2s are 18. So multiply 18. There are 8 is left. So let us add 18 to 8. 18, 8, 16 and 26. You get 26. So no number is left. So we will write 26 directly. 26. This is the third partial product. Now fourth step. Let's start fourth step. And fourth step is add all partial products. Adding all partial products. We have three partial products, and first one is multiplied by 1, and second one is multiplied by 3 tens, and third one is multiplied by 9 hundreds. So we get three partial products. So now the fourth step is, let us add these three partial products plus. Already we will discussed about this. The multiplication is repeated addition, right? So in the multiplication process we use the addition, right? So first we will multiply the given numbers. Again we get the three partial products. Now let us add these three partial products. We know already how to add the given numbers. First we will see the ones plus digit. There are 1, 0, 0. So 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 9 plus 10. This 4 plus 6 is a group of numbers. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. So regrouping this 19, we will write 9 and 1 is carry out. Next 9 plus 1, 10, 10 and 8 plus 2 also 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. So write here 0 and 2 is carry. Now 8 plus 2, 10 and 7 plus 2, 9. 10 plus 9, 19. So we get 19. So 1 is carry and write 9 below the 10,000s place. Now let's see 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, 12 and 12 plus 1, 13. So write 13 and 1 is carry and 3 in the below of this number. Next 6 plus 1, 7 and next 2. So this is the product of these two numbers, right? This is a product. Let us see the place values. First put a comma before three numbers, again 2, next 2. That means 2 crores 73 lakhs 90,951. So this is the product of these two numbers. So we will multiply any number by 2, more than 2 numbers. So we will follow some steps. The first step is we will multiply given number by the ones place digit. And next one is we will multiply the given number by the tens place. And third step is with 100 place. Next thousands place. So these are the steps to multiply this number. And finally the fourth step is we will multiply the partial products. We will adding the partial products. So we get the three partial product here. So the next step is we are getting partial products. Finally we get the real product of these two numbers, right? So this is the product of these two numbers. Therefore 29,421 is multiplied by 931, that equal to 2 crores 73 lakhs 90,951. So this is the multiplication statement. This is the process of to multiply the given numbers. I hope you understand how to multiply given numbers. And next I'll give you homework on this multiplication. First we will see, for example, they have hundreds. Now let us see how to multiply given number with 100. How to multiply 29,421 by 100? Yes, first we will see only 1. So first we multiplied with 1. So there are zeros, 2 zeros are there. So write 2 zeros. And next multiplied with 1. So 1 is multiplied by any number? Yes, a number itself. So any number is multiplied by 1. The product is number itself. That means write this number 2, 2, 9, 4, 2, 1. So this is the product of the two numbers. It is very easy. Yes, any number 10, hundreds, and thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and any number is multiplied by any number. So we will write first zeros and next we will multiply with 1. So any number is multiplied by 1. Yes, we get the product is number itself. So say it is very easy multiplication by hundreds, right? Okay children, I hope you are understand how to multiply given numbers, and next I will give you homework. Okay children, this is your today's homework on multiplication. So note this homework and do yourself and put it on WhatsApp definitely regularly. I will verify your homework. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Bye.